Hello, welcome to the Introduction to Java course. This course is designed for the absolute beginners in Java programming. Here, you will learn about the fundamentals of Java programming language with lots of hands-on examples. Here, you will learn how to compile and run a Java program, the basic programming concepts, and the programming control structures in the context of Java programming language. In this course, you will also get a very brief idea of object-oriented programming language also. But we will not go into the very deep of object-oriented programming or object-oriented design concepts. Rather, in this course, we will restrict ourselves in learning Java as a language for problem solving only. Not a very good software design perspective, but only to solve several problems. Now, since Java is a fully object-oriented language, we will use all the object-oriented syntax required to write a Java program. But as I said, we will not go into the deeper concepts of object-oriented programming. Now, if the fundamental programming concepts such as syntax, keywords, operators, data types, identifiers, or the different types of programming control structures related terminologies like sequential, branching, looping, function, if all these terminologies sound unfamiliar to you, I will recommend to go over the Programming 101 course, which can serve as a very good prerequisite for this course. Also, since we are going to utilize the object-oriented programming syntax, although we will not go into the deeper of the concept, but since we are going to use the syntax, I will also recommend to go over the Programming 202 course also, where you will get the basic familiarity with the object-oriented terminologies. After finishing these two courses, you can come back to this Java programming course for better understanding. This slide shows the agenda of this Java course. Here, first you will get the overview of Java program, like what is Java, why do you need to learn Java, and all these things. Then you will start writing your Java program, and you will also learn how to compile and run your Java code. After that, we will spend quite a bit time in understanding the basic programming concepts with Java, such as input, output, data types, identifiers, operators, etc. After you feel comfortable with all these basic programming concepts, then we will start spending time in understanding different control structures in Java, such as sequential control structure, branching control structure, and loop control structures. After that, we will also understand the Java functions, like what is function, how to call a function in Java, how to write a function in Java, and all these different things. And then we will start understanding some of the basic concepts like class and object in the context of Java program. As I said earlier, that in this course, throughout this course, we are going to utilize all the object-oriented programming syntaxes, but we are not going to cover the actual concepts or the underlying fundamental concepts in more detail. So we will just keep it at very shallow level of understanding. You will just learn what is a class, what is an object, and what are their fundamental utilities, and that's it. And after you will learn these basic concepts of object-oriented program, then we will start learning about the Java arrays, where you will learn about the array of primitive data type as well as the array of objects in Java. And finally, we will summarize our learning.